In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Zotero with Google Scholar and Microsoft Word to do your research, citations, and references. I'm going to go through this fairly quickly. You can pause at any time. So first we're going to go to Google Scholar. We've got Google Scholar open, and we've got Zotero open. Okay, you need to have both of those open to do the research. Okay, and now with Google Scholar or with Zotero, I'm going to go back to my ethics and TESOL and use that for my paper. Okay, and go ethics and TESOL, and here we're back into the different papers. So I already have this one, and I think that there was another one on here that I liked. Here's an older one about the ethics of TESOL, and it's kind of interesting to compare some of the old stuff and some of the new stuff. So let's go ahead and open this one in a new link, and here we go. The abstract isn't so robust, but I can view the whole PDF. Oh, maybe I can't. Oh, there it is. Okay. And this one actually gives me a good chance to show you something kind of interesting. Okay, because if I come up here to the Zotero icon, it's going to save it as a snapshot because this is a PDF that has no metadata. Okay, so it downloaded it as a snapshot. Okay, and as you can see, web page. Okay, there's really nothing here. All right, but I need that data. So what I can do is I can go back to my search page, and you can see that the icon for Zotero has changed to a file folder. If you click that, you get this pop-up, and all of these are all of these. Okay, so, oops. What I do, if it's in the pop-up, it has metadata. So I go with the ethics of TESOL and click OK, and it saves it again in Zotero. And if I take a look here, so I've got the snapshot here. I'm going to get rid of that. Okay. And then I have the ethics of TESOL, and it gives me all of my bibliographical information. Okay. Again, make sure that everything's spelled right, and you won't have to do it again. Okay. Let me go to the next paper, Ethical Decisions in Ethnographic Study. This is an interesting one as well. Okay. Open that in a new tab. And assume that I've done all my due diligence on this stuff, guys. Okay. Here, I'm going to go ahead and save it. Okay, so it's saved it to Zotero. So now I have 3 different sources. And what I need to do now is open up a Word document. Okay, and I'm going to open up a blank document, and I should see a Zotero choice in the menu. Okay, just to check, click on Zotero. It gives me all my Zotero choices. That's a good thing. Okay, so now I'm going to start writing this paper. Again, I'm not writing a whole paper. Okay, so first sentence. Okay, so not my not my original work. Okay, so I do need to um, give it a citation. Okay, so come up here to my Zotero menu and hit Add Edit Citation. The first time you do it for a paper, it's going to ask you what style you want to do for citation style. I'm going to use APA 7th edition, English. Okay. All right. And now this is the classic view. When I showed you how to switch it to that classic view, this is what it gives you. It's easy to see the titles and everything else. So this obviously came from this one. And so I click on that and I click OK, and boom, there it is. There's my citation. Okay. Then my next sentence, let's see. Okay, again, this is not my original idea, but I got this one from two different sources. Okay, so if I come over here to my Zotero, I need to get two sources in here. Let's go to my Zotero menu. Sorry. And I'm going to add edit citation, and this time I got it from two. So I need to come down here to multiple sources and arrow over the two that that I want. Okay, I'm going to do these two, and then I just click OK. You can insert all kinds of stuff, but you don't. Usually Zotero takes care of it all. Okay, so do that, and there they are, both in perfect order, perfect format, etc. Okay, now my last sentence, I'm going to actually mention the author's name. Okay, again, not my idea, but this time I use the author's name, so I don't need the name in the citation. So add edit citation here, go to ethics, and here I hit omit author and hit OK, and it just gives me the date. Okay, so let's say that my paper's finished, and now I'm going to do my my reference list. Everybody hates to do reference lists. But with Zotero, it happens like this. Zotero, add edit bibliography. Oops. Boom. There it is. Okay. You want to go through again, make sure that everything's right. What I like to do is, because sometimes when you insert the reference list, it changes some of the formatting. So I like to just go through and reformat the whole paper. So here I want Cambria, let me type it in here, Cambria, boom, and I want 12-point font. Okay, I want, it is left aligned already, line spacing is double spaced. Okay, so everything should be formatted in the same way. And that's it. You're ready to go grab a beer.